A music video. A music video. You listen to a music video. It's not a music video, it's just a video. For a NERF! Yeah! This is the NERF Elite. It's a Reflex IX-1. It's a strong gun. And when I was opening this, there was something in its box. It was a special gun. Really, it's a special gun. I don't know why, but it's kinda cool as a pistol. Look. See? It's very quick. I don't even know why. But you see it? I reload it, put the bullet, and then this thing goes up and like see sometimes this is the bullets. This is the bullet of the NERF Elite. As you can see there's a mark there. It's because my friend has it too, and if we play it like our bullets will be mixed. Really mixed. Yeah, a mixed bullet. As you can see I'm brown. I went to the beach. Really, I went to the beach. I'm lonely in this room. I hate it. Just kidding. It's okay. I don't need brother. I don't need a brother. I just need my best friend to play with. It's kinda cool. See? My best friend's not here. See the noise coming from this gun? Or you cannot. But it's okay. It's worth it. It's worth it that I buy this gun. Because it's a cool gun. It's my only handgun. And then the others are like Vulcan, the Dart Tag, Maverick, the other gun, like I don't know. It's so cool. The new gun, I don't know. So this gun, you can see it has the NERF logo here, and the other side too, and it has NERF sign here, the NERF sign, the reflex sign. Reflex. It's not really seen this. I'm gonna use it. Always use this gun. See, there's like a caution sign there. Caution sign. See it? But you can see the words. Oh, that's okay. And then, see the gun. You can see there, inside of it, inside of it. Yeah, it's so. I'm gonna have another videos. I'm gonna have another videos for the next time. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my mother's profile. Yes, my mother's profile.